DK61SE. DIERYA from the Keebs brand. Take a look at it. Alright, store that. Ooh, hey. That's a solid instruction card. That's not the flimsy insert. A keycap puller. And a cable. Oh, hey, that's surprisingly braided. I wasn't expecting that. Focus. It's a webcam. What do we want? Wasn't expecting braided cable. All right. Looks like it's got some various functions. DK61SE. Ooh, hey, look, feet. The Star 61 we looked at first did not have feet. All right, we'll get into this one. The tagline. Still haven't come up with one. Low cost Keebs. Hit me up with the tagline.